Hi beautifuls, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about my Medusa box that I got in the mail. I got this to review. This is my second month. The next month will be my last box, but the box looks like this. Oops, I think I got it upside down. So it's vegan and cruelty-free beauty. And last month the colors were bright, and I like bright colors, but there's some colors I just can't wear, even if my hair is blue and purple and a little bit of pink. So this is the card that comes in it, and it tells you how much everything is and how much the box is worth. But yeah, and this is the front of the card, and this is the back of the card where they give the prices and the value of the box. So actually the first thing I got, and I've already opened the box, if you remember last month, my lipstick, and it was the color Rose, was melted and broken. This come bubble wrapped this time. This is the color. It's a pretty container. I actually like it. I would actually call this a nude color. It's called Rose, so I really thought that was going to be pink, but it's lavender. So the next thing in the box is called, I think this was $10 last time. Okay. And so this is grapefruit astringent. And I'm going to spray it because I want to smell it. It doesn't smell like grapefruit. It smells like roses. And the price of it is $12.95. And it's a relatively small bottle. But astringent you usually rub on your face. But I don't know if you'd spray it. I guess you spray and wipe it off. The next thing is called Eye Dust, and it is pretty in pink, and it is $8, and I love this color. This is the packaging. I kind of want to swatch it because I kind of want to keep it. I have had pink, I've had my eyes done, I've had my makeup on. I don't know what time it is, probably around 6 in the afternoon, and I've had my makeup on now for a long time, since this morning. And I had on pink eyeshadow. I don't know if you can still see it. You probably, well, you can. I don't have anything to test it with. Excuse me. Excuse me.
2 hours later.
Oh, it's beautiful. Oh, it's beautiful. Let me see. I'm going to keep it. It's very shimmery. It's not a glitter though, but it might work with putting glitter glue under it. I've done that with some shimmer shades. Yes, I'm keeping that. So the next thing I see is it's got a guitar on it, and it's called, I don't like it when makeup companies use the term AF. I just find that really unnecessary. But it calls this a lip gloss, and it's Medusa's MakeUp. That's the name of the brand. I forgot to say, I don't think I did. Medusa's MakeUp. It says girls, girls, girls on the top of the package. Metals AF. Lip gloss. Oh, and it's glittery pink. They got a theme going on. I like the applicator, and I'm gonna swatch it because it's summertime and it's pink. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna use the monitor to put it on. I don't even need to. And look at the mirror. Ooh. It is a pretty color. I wanted to like this box. I know it was geared toward younger folk, which is sort of why I wanted to review it, because I have a mixed audience, my age and younger. No, this is not a lip gloss. Now I can't give it away. Oh, well, I do. I have nieces. This is liquid lip. It has that, it is the metal. I could use a lip balm under it, but it's, either it's taking a long time to dry down. It's dry, but tacky at the same time. And so the next thing, let's see what this is. Oh, this is pretty too. I'm gonna like the powders in this. Okay, this is pretty too. This is called, oh, let's see how much that lipstick is. That lipstick is $11. And this is called Cosmic Highlighter. So it's a cosmic highlighter, and so I guess that's the color of it. And it's $10. This is the color. Probably might see better that way. I probably am not gonna wear that. It is white, and it is it's cosmic. So I'm gonna put this in a giveaway. So I'm not gonna swatch it, but it is very pretty. And I like highlighter. As a matter of fact, I don't have any on today just because I just didn't put any on today. But that's not my normal thing. I was in a hurry. I took too long with my lashes. Seriously. I didn't have time to do it. That. Excuse me. Okay, so yeah, this, I'm gonna give this away. I'm gonna give, I'm gonna put this in a giveaway. I might have sprayed it, but that was once just a spray it. So I'm probably gonna put that in a giveaway. I have a giveaway corner in my room that is stacking up. So I have a lot of, yeah, that lipstick is definitely not gloss. And so I have two things I'm going to give away. So we got 4 things in the box, and they say it's worth $41.95. So we'll go over it. It's vegan and cruelty free. They call this the spring box. And so the what they call lip gloss, which is actually liquid lip, and is sucking the life out of my old lips look. Oh my Lord. And then this is called Grapefruit Astringent. They priced it at $12.95. This is, so you can see the size of it. I have a big head. And this is called the Cosmic Highlighter. So I'm putting these in my giveaway stash. It is $10. And then this, I think this is beautiful. What is wrong with me? I have a headache. That is what is wrong with me. If y'all could see my left eye, it's twitching. And this is called Eye Dust, Pretty in Pink, and it is $8. That's a tiny little pot. That color is beautiful. I wished I'd have swatched it the other way. It is just beautiful. I love it. They're independent. I like that. I mean, I think you should support independent when you can. They are vegan, and I know people are like that. Some people are vegan because they're allergic to so they don't use anything like carmine or lanolin, and I'm sure if they use squalane, it would be plant derived. And I'm sure there's a whole list of things, but those are the 3 things that come to mind. So that would also make them cruelty free, and that would cover the two things. The 3 things that I can mention cover cruelty and vegan. Anyway, I do think it would be a nice box for the undercrowd. If you like this product, if you like vegan and cruelty free, and you're into bright colors, I think you should check out their website. The colors, you know, the colors were pink and springy, and I did like that. And this color is pretty. I wouldn't have bought it because of the front of the package. So that's my box, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye bye.